Colorado Trailers wanted to show you guys a beautiful 7x16 Haulmark we just got on the ground. This one's a 2019, again, 7x16 Transport. Transport is our upgraded line of trailers, and this one has a 16-foot box plus a 2-foot V, so it's going to measure closer to 18 feet in total length. This one's in a gorgeous two-tone silver front charcoal black. Smooth skin exterior, so you guys have no screws or rivets in this unit. And then we've got the nice tall diamond plate rock guard along the bottom here. And here's a better shot of this side. As you guys can see, this is a gorgeous trailer. Very clean looking. Side door is an upgraded side door. It is a 36-inch side door, and then we've also added the RV lock and cam bar on it for double lock protection there. Two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours. You've got radial tires and a polished aluminum fender. This one also has that polished aluminum strip between the two colors right there that you guys can see. Side vents with this unit, so it will have a natural cross ventilation. This one also has nice drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the rear, right there. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close. This one's got a great spring assist on it. I can open and close this ramp with like 2 fingers. It's pretty awesome. And then this one also has a load light over your ramp door, so you guys will have some exterior light here at night. 7-foot interior height with this unit. It's great for UTVs, side-by-sides. And this one's got the upgraded Drymax walls and floor in it. So total bonus, you guys have water-resistant walls and flooring in this unit. And then 4 D-rings. We've got 2 here at the back, 2 more up front. There's one of those side vents right back there. Your little switch right here is to turn on this load light, so you guys can drop that ramp and quickly get access to your lighting at night. 2 overhead LED interior lights on the ceiling. 1 piece aluminum roof with this unit as well. And there's those 2 more D-rings. Back side of the RV lock gives you guys this right here, which is a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. And this little switch is going to turn on your 2 overhead lights. So great unit, again, great for toys because you guys can pull stuff wet in here and not worry about it warping your floor. And you've got it the same upgraded walls. Thicker, much better product than just your standard wood or Luan. So here it is. Give us a call if you guys are in the market for a new trailer. We'd love to earn your business. 303-688-8485. You can always check out our inventory online at coloradotrailersinc.com. And give us a call if you guys have something that you need that you don't see in inventory. We can always order you a unit as well, and we do ship. So again, 303-688-8485 or coloradotrailersinc.com.